Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to import a wallet to Kraken. But before we get started, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to transfer your crypto from one wallet to another? Maybe you're trying to sell some crypto, or maybe you're just trying to move it to a different exchange. If so, then you know how important it is to be able to import your wallet to Kraken. Kraken is one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, and it offers a wide variety of features and services. One of those features is the ability to import your wallet. This means that you can transfer your crypto from another wallet to Kraken without having to create a new account. This can be a huge time saver, especially if you're already using another wallet. So, how do you import a wallet to Kraken? I'm going to show you step by step. Step 1. Create a Kraken account. If you don't already have a Kraken account, you'll need to create one. This is a simple process that only takes a few minutes. Once you've created your account, you'll need to verify your identity. This is a security measure that Kraken takes to protect your account. Once you've verified your identity, you'll be able to log into your Kraken account. Step 2. Find your wallet address. The next step is to find your wallet address. This is the address that you'll use to send your crypto to Kraken. You can find your wallet address in your wallet settings. Once you have your wallet address, you can copy it to the clipboard. Step 3. Import your wallet to Kraken. Now that you have your wallet address, you can import it to Kraken. To do this, log into your Kraken account and click on the Wallets tab. Then click on the Add New Wallet button. Enter your wallet address in the wallet address field. Then click on the Import button. Your wallet will now be imported to Kraken. Step 4. Send your crypto to Kraken. Now that your wallet is imported to Kraken, you can send your crypto to it. To do this, open your wallet and send your crypto to the Kraken address that you imported in Step 3. Be sure to include the correct amount of crypto and the correct network. Once you've sent your crypto to Kraken, it will take a few minutes to arrive in your account. Step 5. Verify your crypto. Once your crypto has arrived in your Kraken account, you'll need to verify it. This is a security measure that Kraken takes to protect your account. To verify your crypto, click on the Wallets tab and then click on the Deposits tab. Find the transaction for the crypto that you sent to Kraken. Then click on the Verify button. Your crypto will now be verified. That's how to import a wallet to Kraken. This is a simple process that can be done in just a few minutes. Once you've imported your wallet, you can easily transfer your crypto to and from Kraken. This can be a huge time saver, especially if you're already using another wallet. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency content. I'll see you next time.